Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove the border in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document from the border. This border is the from remove in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, select from the border. Now keyboard press from the alert SBN. That's it. Then we show the remove the border in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. Remove the border in shortcut key is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.